Hello friends, I welcome you in today's virtual workshop on how to create and conduct ICT based classroom quizzes. Today we are going to discuss about the web based and app based quizzes by using the platform called as a Kahoot. Now before we start our virtual workshop, I will be discuss about the assessment and evaluation management plan indicated by the UGC. And now this assessment evaluation management plan we already prepared before the start of the session, and this plan is also called as a annual teaching plan or annual lecture plan. An assessment and evaluation arrangement plan should be prepared that details the assessment strategy both for the program and the course level. So when we prepare any lecture plan or annual teaching plan, then we mention the different topics. Then what is the program outcomes, what is the course outcome, and what is the learning outcomes. In that particular lecture plan, we also mention the various assessment and evaluation techniques or tools used during the academic session, such as Unit 1, Unit Test 1, Unit Test 2, home assignment, and semester examination. Then any other learning tools, evaluation tools like student class seminar, then group discussion, then case study, project work, etc. So depending on the which type of subject you are teaching, it depends the teaching plan. In the assessment plan, it is important to identify type of assignment for each course and the timeline. Choosing type of assessment needs consideration of the characteristic learning attributes, its mapping to revise assessment rubric also. So different assessment rubric can be used, such as for the internal evaluation of the student, the particular marks are assigned for the specific assignment. Unit test 1 10 marks, unit test second 10 marks, end semester examination 15 marks, student class seminar. So you can allow the different types of the marking system during the evaluation and assessment process. Any assessment should be implemented using an assessment rubrics. The assessment rubrics relates to the actual evaluation used for every course, and it is tool to interpret and grade student. So recently in 2019, UGC published a ebook for the evaluation reforms in higher education institution, and there are details is mentioned about the evaluation and assessment criteria for the student during the academic calendar. So these are the images that I have taken from this ebook published by the UGC. This is the timeline assignment during the particular assessment session. So there are different types of the assessment, like formative assessment, interim assessment, and summative assessment. This assessment can be performed daily or weekly or quarterly or periodically, or in the end of the course also. So these are the various type of assignment mentioned in the UGC booklet, like class assignment, home assignment, case studies, assignment and quiz test, long test quiz, long test quiz test, long test. So this quiz test may be offline or online. We can use the ICT based tools also for the conduction of the particular quiz in a 45 minutes or 50-minute classroom as an one learning tools or pedagogical tools. Then next is the soft skill development program, seminar, group discussion, reading, analyzing, interpretation, presentation, self-study, seminar, group discussion, work-based training, projects, solving exercise, tutorials. So these are the various type of the formative, interim, and summative assessment can be carried out as per this UGC ebook. Now in today's workshop, I am going to focus on the how to conduct the quizzes, online quizzes, and how to create and organize these ICT based quizzes in classroom by using the web based and mobile app based platform. So today we are going to one platform that is called as a Kahoot. We will discuss later how to create the quiz by using the Kahoot, and how to perform or conduct the quiz in the classroom. Now when we prepare the annual teaching plan or annual lecture plan, then we also prepare the open educational database for particular unit. So this is the format at which we produce the different types of the database for particular subject and paper. So these are the resources, and this is the annotation. Now suppose each paper carried out the 4 to 5 units. You mention a particular subject, relevant discipline, then which topic you are going to study, uh, and then what is the unit number. Suppose this is unit number 1, then these are the resources. So you should provide the many colleges its own format for this database, along with the annual teaching plan or annual lecture plan. So for particular unit you provide the different video link also, because it should be open resource. Any student by clicking on this particular link can be see the video link, and it can be watched. So you can provide the link 1, link 2, link 3. These video resources of the particular topic should be prepared by yourself, or you can also provide the good content prepared by the third person, which is also available in the YouTube. Also some videos is also available in the various open education resources, various MSRD sites like Swayam Prabha, ePathshala, etc. Then you can also provide the website link, which is freely available. The content is freely available on the website, the link 1, link 2, etc. You apply the description, means how the data or content is obtained, right in the description, suitable for UGPG student learning. What is the learning outcome after seeing this particular link of the website? Then various ebooks or reference books you also provide. Then this is the database, like e-journals. Content can be provided. It is not necessary to mention all these links, but video and ebooks also important. Then another important pedagogical tools or learning tools is the how to organize the quizzes. So there are two ways: offline quizzes that can be conducted in the classroom, and another is the online quizzes, ICT based online quizzes. Now every student today, they have the Android app, Android mobile, and by using the app we can easily conduct the classroom quiz in the particular uh, class and particular day and time. Now this is the one of the open. Now what is the open education resource? Means when student click on this particular link, it should be open and there is no need of the login. So this is, there are different sites is available for educational researchers. One of the quiz prepared by me, the link is here. Now after going to this particular link, the student can solve the various quizzes. So this is the important to create the, because there are various platforms is also available to create the quizzes. One is the most famous is Google, Google Form. Through Google Form we can easily create the quiz. But today we are not discussing about the how to prepare the quiz by in the Google Form. We are discussing about the how to conduct and create the ICT based quizzes in the classroom. So this is the link. Due to internet connectivity it is slow. Now this is the quiz which is available as a open educational resources. This is the e-quiz, quiz on nuclear chemistry. Now when I click the link, automatically quiz is open. There is no need of the login, and student can easily go through this particular quiz. When any topic is completed, and suppose we provide as a home assignment, this is a learning tool for the their preparation of the student. So once this is the question, X-ray are in example of what type of radiation? Suppose answer is the, it is shows the correct answer. Then go, student can go in the next type. Suppose this is the answer. Sorry, again try. Suppose this is the alpha. Sorry, again. So when there is a different chances, means the student can also know the correct answer, and there is a score. This is the second question, third question. So there are total 40 questions. The student easily solve this quiz, and they also know the whether the answer correct or wrong. So this is called as e-content or e-quiz, which is available in open educational resources. So this type of quiz is also important, because what happens when we prepare the Google form, there is a need of the login, and the data is collected in particular individual teachers would Google Drive, and it is not available as open educational resources. But when you prepare in HTML based quiz particularly, it is available in online version, and you can also upload easily any online resources or repository, so that the any student can be access the this quiz as open resources, and this can be provided in a particular unit database. So this is the link. You can provide the link here, link 1, link 2, link 3. So these are, and you can also claim it is as a e-content for API score also. It is important when it is available in the open resource. Any website you can go and upload this quiz, and you can also use as a API. You can claim as a API for the API score. Then next is the again in this UGC ebook, various types of assessment is mentioned in written mode, oral mode, practical mode, integrated mode, like class, seminar, lab work, computer simulation, etc. So today we are focusing on the quizzes, objective test, that is MCQ, true false type quizzes by using the Kahoot app and web-based platform. Now, what is the advantage of classroom quizzes? Student tends to actually read the material. Students show up for class on time since the quiz always come first. Students are placed in the right attitude for learning. Students feel more confident to discuss the material. Students raise their grades by simply reading the material. The start of class is signal because it is a pre-planned and handled by the mobile or web-based platform. The quiz provide a good lead in for either a lecture or discussion of the material. Students grow curious about the answers. Students are provided with a real foundation for intellectual growth for competitive examinations. So there is a practice is also takes place in a particular subject topic. Then these are the summary of the advantage of quizzes. Quizzes help the student to learn. Quizzes gives teachers feedback. Quizzes promote test expectancy. Studying in more efficient after a quiz, and quizzes increase the attendance also because student is very much interested in the this type of assessment tools rather than the theoretical writing work. Now, in this virtual workshop today, I am going to discuss how to create and conduct the ICT based classroom quizzes. I am going to discuss about the platform, two platform by using the Kahoot. One is the web based and another is the mobile based because the creation of the quiz on Kahoot is more better in the web-based platform. And once it is created, then you can apply it or you can conduct in a 45 minutes, 55 minutes classroom by using the mobile app. So for that, the requirement is the student must have this app, and this app Kahoot Kahoot can be downloaded by in Google Play Store. So there is no need of the login for the student, but for teacher, for the creation of the quiz, there is a login option is important. Once you log in, you can easily create and store, and you can assess the assessment and the feedback assessment, also the marks, grading, etc. So this is about the Kahoot platform. Thank you.